The split course method will go as follows. We're going to go ahead and find our pipe and go ahead and trim around that pipe. You can see we're going to have to put a brace, like another 2x2, so my pipe jack doesn't get pushed down the wrong way. And then once we figure that out, we'll go ahead and place that and notch anywhere above that panel. Go ahead and notch that and fold it over, creating a water stop. So now you can see it's going to be braced here and also have my water stop behind that panel. So once we figured all that out, come back with your caulking. Go ahead and caulk along the sides and the bottom. And then this will go ahead and fit right down into that caulking. And then we can put fasteners in the front here. Then we'll just go ahead and take our next panel. We'll find where that pipe jack is and trim around. It will fit down nice and tight. And we'll go ahead and fasten that panel as normal. And then we'll go ahead and finish off caulking that around. And coming with our granules and placing that into that caulking. And fasten or caulk your fasteners as well. And once again, using that granule into that caulking.